Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to change your bio on Discord. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing that you have to do is open your Discord. After that, go ahead to your profile by tap the account icon at the bottom right of your screen. And now tap on your profile. After that, you will see About Me here. Click the text box below the About Me heading and type your desired text. If you're done, you just have to tap on Save at the top right in the corner. And yeah, just it guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.